Hey, what is going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to look at how you can back up any installed apps on your PS4. So first please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, so with this method we are going to use the Payload guest by Al-Azif. By the way, if you are on 11.00 or lower, and you do not want to use Payload guest, I will also link a host in the description below.
A few moments later.
So first we need to set up our USB by creating a folder at the root of the USB called Payloads, all in small letters. Then inside that folder, all our Payloads files must be located here. Okay, so finally we need to copy the configuring file as well to the root of our USB, which is very necessary. By the way, if your storage is not in exFAT format, it might not work properly. Okay, so if you want to back up any app, just start that particular app and press the PS button to suspend it, then launch the Payload guest. So you just have to scroll down to where the PKG-BackUP file is located, and then press the X button to inject it. Please, if you have any questions bordering you, feel free to ask. Maybe it might help someone else solve his puzzles as well. So at this point you just have to wait for the backup to complete.